Here's the app called Playground AI Design and Editor. So yeah, let's just tap Get to use it. So just double click to install. Design anything like a pro. Edit anything easily. Use thousands of templates. Apply unique styles. Export and use anywhere. Start designing now. So there is, I think, a separate Apple app, Playground. This is just the app is a similar name, but it's still in top charts. But this is not original Apple Playground app. And yeah, this is the world's easiest way to design anything with the power of AI. Start from hundreds of pre-designed templates and dozens of different styles that allow for infinite editing and variations until you get just what you were looking for, or maybe even better. From sticker and t-shirt designs to social media posts, mobile wallpaper, even memes, this kind of alternative is like your very own, always available graphic designers. Stunning AI templates quickly generate professional designs for all areas of your business and hobbies, or mix your images with one dozens of styles for a total different vibe and aesthetic. Edit any image just by asking Playground to make a change. Change anything with AI. Designs for every category. So then, yeah, you can just open it up and let's see here. So yeah, you can just easily create your account with Apple or anything else. So for example, you wanna create t-shirt design. Exporting design and use it anywhere. So and that's basically the idea. So logo t-shirt, whatever you like, wallpaper, poster art. So for example, I just wanna upload the image. So for example, I have this kind of template image. You can change it. So you can just do everything what you want with an image, but then you can also create like a t-shirt. Just have, for example, this, but then these are premium templates. Okay, so seems you just can do that. So yeah, you can just easily create like mockups and yeah, it's taken quite a lot of time, to be honest. But yeah, you can then just do that. And yeah, it will be ready after a while in your profile. So then you can see how it might look like, and then you can just share this image. So that's basically the idea. If you wanna, you can then just see this and then place in mockup. Again, for example, you just can place it in the back and it will create a natural mockup image for you. So for example, this is how it might look like, and you can also resize it. So yeah, something like that. That's how you can use and try out this app in here. So that's the idea. You have your account. Unfortunately, there are no like referral codes. You can always delete your account in here. So that's the app, kind of easy to use. To try it out.